Virtual reality just took a massive leap forward. Meta's next-gen headset, the Meta Quest 4, is no longer a secret. With leaks now surfacing from multiple reliable sources, we finally have a detailed picture of what to expect from Meta's upcoming VR monster. And trust us, it's way beyond what anyone was predicting. From a complete overhaul in display quality and chip performance to a radical design shift and new use cases powered by AI, this isn't just another upgrade. It's Meta's boldest step into the future of immersive computing. So, buckle up, this is everything you need to know about the Meta Quest 4, its leaked specs, features, design, and the all-important release date. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's get one thing out of the way. The Meta Quest 3 was a solid headset. It brought mixed reality, MR, into the mainstream with better pass-through, improved visuals, and a more comfortable build. But the Quest 4? It's rewriting the rulebook. According to internal documents and prototype images leaked online, Meta Quest 4 isn't just a more powerful version of the Quest 3, it's a total reinvention. Meta is targeting a much broader vision with this headset. Gaming, productivity, social presence, and even education are getting AI-powered, high-fidelity upgrades. In short, Meta Quest May 4th finally deliver on the promise of the future of computing. One of the biggest upgrades comes under the hood. Leaked performance benchmarks confirm that Meta Quest 4 will feature the new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 chipset. This chip is specifically designed for extended reality, XR, and features a 2.5x GPU boost, AI acceleration, and improved thermal efficiency. Compared to the Quest 3's already impressive performance, this is a major jump. Expect much faster load times, higher frame rates, smoother hand tracking, and more realistic mixed reality experiences. Games like Asgard's Wrath 2 or Population 1 will feel dramatically more responsive and immersive. And with built-in AI processing cores, Quest 4 is expected to offer dynamic foveated rendering, real-time scene reconstruction, and even AI-enhanced social avatars. Yes, avatars that replicate your facial expressions and emotions in real time. Perhaps the most exciting change: the display. Sources close to the development team have confirmed that Meta Quest 4 will ditch the LCD panel used in Quest 3 in favor of either OLED or micro-LED displays. These will offer deeper blacks, higher contrast, true-to-life colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, up to 4K per eye resolution. Some insiders suggest Meta is testing OLED plus HDR panels for ultra-immersive experiences, especially in dark environments. Whether it's gaming in a shadowy forest or watching a movie in a virtual theater, this display will blow you away. Oh, and did we mention eye tracking? Yes, it's coming. The Quest 4 will feature improved eye tracking sensors, enabling dynamic rendering that prioritizes what you're looking at, saving GPU power while enhancing realism. Meta has been listening to feedback. The Quest 4 is expected to be 30% lighter than the Quest 3, with a slimmer front profile. This is made possible by new pancake lens technology and more efficient internal cooling. Leaked CAD renders show a sleek